Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's getting rich. I'd strongly urge you to subscribe because I'm making videos about everything related to money. Today I found this amazing video. It's called No Job? Earn $400 an hour as a beginner and make money online with affiliate marketing. Alright. So I'm going to do everything this guy tells me to do, and I really hope I'll get some results. I'm looking at the comments right here. Perfect strategy, Dave. I just starting an offline business. Thank you for sharing nice content. How much is your income a week with this channel? A week, he says. Well, he's earning like $97 plus 1.3k divided by 2. This is like average, and then divided by 4. He's this channel. And that's it. Alright, let's start this video.
Looking to make some extra money online. This is literally the perfect video that you can watch right now because I'm about to show you how you gainers. Now, as you can see, the platform that I'm currently using is called the Warrior Plus. And Warrior Plus.
Alright, we need to go to Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus. Is this the one? I already have an account. I think it was from his last
Once you complete step number 1, what you want to do is you want to go to the affiliate offers section right over here, so you can actually find an offer.
Okay. Affiliate offers.
And all of them are going to pay you different amounts of money. For example, an average sale for this offer is $31, $33 here. And as you can see, you can also see the refund rate. In this case, it's 0%, which is perfect. And it means that people are actually satisfied with this product right over here.
Which one did he actually
what I do
use?
is I just click get the link, and then you can grab your affiliate link.
Like, he didn't tell me which one it was, so. Oh. I think it's this one. I'm not even going to request the approval, but I'm just going to check out the website. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, it's this one that he promoted.
What I do is I just click get the link, and then you can grab your affiliate.
Promote 99 read. I think it's that one. So, but he said something about conversion rate.
And it means that people are actually satisfied with this product right over here. But when the refund rate is like extremely high, for example, this one 8%, you don't want to be promoting an offer like that because it means that people are not getting value out of that offer. So it's most likely some shady deal. So you don't necessarily want to get involved with anything like that. So you want to make sure that the refund rate is like 3 to 4%. Or
You know what? I'm just going to request this one for approval. Request for approval. Request offer. Your request has been sent. Alright. Look at this guy, bro. Scammers all around.
they buy that product.
Alright, so after I got approved, I'm going to get the affiliate link.
You just need to enter. This is going to be a blog post about how to make money online in 3 different ways, okay?
Okay, so I'm going to make a blog post, how to make money online, 3 different ways, alright? I'll be back. Thank you guys so much for, 14 views in like 12 hours or something. Not even. I really appreciate that, I'm trying to really test out everything, and you need to subscribe, like for real. Go out, check me out, subscribe. You'll get a lot of it. Alright, how to make money, 4 tips for wealth and riches. This is my whole article. I just made it. That's it.
Different ways in this this blog post. Then click on next, and don't worry, we'll not have you. You select the 3 ways to make money online, click on next. After that, they'll really nice blog post right over here. Now we're not done. You want to insert something more in order to actually make money. So what you want to do is you actually want to go back to the offer that you're promoting. So you're going back to the affiliate link. And what you want to do right now is you want to copy this title up here. So I'm copying this title. What if there's a possible way to get paid every time we read email exposed breakthrough Gmail loophole? And I'm going to copy that. I also space as $9.90 per minute. And then I'll go back to the Google document and I will paste it over here. And then below that, I'm going to add a text, which is another call to action. So paste $9.09 per minute. And then I'm going to make it be on the center. I'm going to bold it. Here.
Alright, for now I can't do all of this because I don't have my affiliate link. What was it? Warrior Plus. It was warriorplus.com. Alright, so I don't have the link right now. It's still pending, so I can't get my affiliate link and I can't go through. So I'll just have to wait. Today is May 8th, May 9th again, so dang, May 9th, and I'm just going to wait and I'll be back. I'm telling you, I'll be back. It will be like just a second, but for me it will be a whole day again. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, welcome back. It's May 15th right now. I think like it's been like 4 days or something since the last time that I've been here. Let me go to Warrior Plus. Let me sign in real quick. These guys, they were doing like so long, I swear to God, so long. Like, why? 99 read, it's still pending. So I've been checking back and like 1 or 2 days ago, and I've requested some more links. So TikTok Cashbot, I got a link from that. Vacation Moolah, I got a link from that. Conversion rate is like 6%, and in here it's 14%, but right here refund rate's 1%. Refund rate on TikTok Cashbot is 3%. So, and for the rest, yeah, I got not making any money right now. Refund rate's 8%, so we won't do that. And this one, Dogecoin, refund rate's 3%. Conversion rate is 17%. So I think I'll just go with this link. They've been doing like too much. I swear to God, too much. I think you do it like this. Yeah, you copy it like this. Copy. That's my affiliate link. So let's go back in here to where it all started. Let's go back to Google Sites first. How to make money, 4 tips. 4 passive ways. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And then what? Oh no, I can make 3 tips actually.
Which is another call to action.
Oh wait. This is Dogecoin, so we do this. Copy this. Do this. Oh, make it black. Your affiliate link. This is my affiliate link.
Watch the video below. This is the really important one. And now this is how it's going to look like. So we can say, watch the video
This is how it's going to look like. Alright.
below. Once you're done with that, you want to go to the file and you want to download this as a PDF document.
Like that. I'll put a link in here. Go to my affiliate link, copy this, and watch the video below. Exactly like that. Okay, now I should have it. Now I should save this file. PDF.
And now it's going to be onto your computer. One more thing that you can do is you can click on share right over here, and you can also copy the link that takes people to this Google document. So you can click on copy link and it's gonna be copied. So you can also
Right.
share that link with other. Now there are two different traffic sources. I will first of all show you the one that I personally use all the time, and then I'm also gonna show you a new traffic source after that one. So the very first traffic source that I personally use are my faceless YouTube automation channels. So those are channels where I'm not showing my face and I'm not making any videos, yet I'm getting views and I'm making money not just from ad revenue, but also by promoting blog posts like this one, by promoting different affiliate offers. So what you can simply do is you can make a channel that talks about online business, talks about making money online, saving money and all of that. And the second traffic source that you can use besides YouTube automation is slideshare.net. This is a platform where you can share different PDF documents that can be seen by millions of people, because this platform is being visited by millions of people every single month. Like for example, this PDF document was read by 9 million people, 2 million people here, 2 million views.
Okay. Alright. Slideshare.com. Look, first of all, I wouldn't do the YouTube channel thing. Look, you could do it, but this guy has worked for a long time to do that. And I don't know why he is even getting views, you know, like right now I started like 9 days ago with my first YouTube video, and I was testing this strategy out. I made an update on that, and now I'm doing this one, and it's been over 10 days. I got 22 views, and I promise you no one will click it. Like, no one.
And below that,
So that's it. And the other one is SlideShare. Alright, we're going to check if SlideShare works or not. He's right. Almost 10 million views. So yeah, I'm going to upload my document. 2 ways to make cash. Select category, business, economy and finance. Here are 2 ways you could make cash. Keywords: make money online, ways to make money, how to make money, need money. Oh, that's it. Let's publish it, see how it's going to work. My uploads, I could check it in here for my uploads. I have 1 view. So yeah, 2 minutes ago it's like 4 pages, and eventually it has a call to action. So, you know, to a sketchy site, getdotcoinsystem.com. Like, I don't even want someone to click on this, because this is, you know, I want to make money, I know, but this is like mad, bro. Like, you know, you won't get money from this. You already know. It's so sketchy. And this guy just promotes it like it's nothing. And then you have like comments like, perfect strategy, Dave. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, look, this could be a bot. Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness. And it's not a bot. Dang. But what? 68 views and everything. This is messed up.
and below that, I'm gonna add a text.
You don't have to say anymore. Please, how to know that someone bought through your link? Bro, the warrior plus site. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this strategy, honestly, if you know, like, if you want to keep your conscience clean, because this is so sketchy. Like, it really is. There are better ways to make money, let me tell you that. Alright, next time I'll just try to do something that's not that sketchy. This one wasn't, well, it wasn't sketchy. Like, it sold VPN, and VPN, you know, people need VPN, but this is just sketchy as I don't know what. Anyways, I'll see you next time. I'm coming back with the results first, and I'll see you next time. After that, it's going to be like a day or so, because I'm not going to spend a lot on this. I'll be if no one has clicked on it, it's called slideshare.com, so I gotta remember this name again. My uploads, 20 views, bro. It has 20 views. Oh my god. 20 views already. I think they're bots, but I don't know for sure. Dashboard, no. Affiliate dashboard. I made nothing. Look, so in here I can see hops, 4 hops, no sales. Good. I don't want anyone to see 5 pending, 68 are approved. Alright. I don't want anyone to, you know. Total was 4. I don't want anyone to buy something from this. It's so sketchy. Anyways, see you next time. Hey yo, I'm back. So today is May 17th, 2022, and we're going to check our results. Let's go to SlideShare real quick. SlideShare. I'm already locked in, bro. My uploads. Let's go to my uploads real quick. Alright. So 2 days ago I posted this, and the views are made like 57 views. Let me check the detailed analytics. Total views 57. On May 14 I didn't upload this. May 15, 54 views. May 16, 3. May 17, nothing. It's just how it is, you know. That's how we get it. So yeah, let's check my dashboard. Then I made $0 today, bro. $0 at all. So I got like 4 hops. May 15, 1 hop, May 16, and that's it. Yep. 0 subscribers, 0. Great, bro. I didn't even want someone to click on this, you know. It's scammy. I don't know. You could try to do it, you know, for this guy, Dave Nick Daily. He's talking about so many ways to make money, you know. Look at this dude, like 4K, like 21 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every day he's posting, every day, bro. 0 to 20k step by step in 60 minutes. Even a monkey made millions, bro. Anyway, I'm done for today. I hope if you like got all the way out here, I thank you so much. You know, go subscribe to me. I'm making videos like this. Leave a like. You know, it took me a while to do this, probably like 8 days, so more than a week. So yeah, just keep me updated.